Patrick Macau. Thank you so much. And I want to thank Mheshimiwa Rose Museo, who really kept me briefed even when it happened, at the time it happened. And very tough, because they were doing blood transfusion and it didn't seem to work on him. Mama, poleni sana na watoto. Mheshimiwa Kalembe was not astute. He was astute in political issues, but when it came to family planning, aliachilia. Huyu mama kuna watoto 10 wa Kalembe Ndile wamezaa naye. They are all very badly affected. And these are our children. We stand with you. I'm told kuna mmoja ambaye nimepigiwa na Hillary Chengo akaniambia kuna mtoto ako Saudi Arabia. Tutaona vile tunaweza kusaidiana hakuje na wale wengine. Mheshimiwa Kimilo, thank you so much. Mjumbe wa Kaiti. Mheshimiwa Jessica Mbalu, jirani kule. Mheshimiwa Kibwezi East. Mheshimiwa Cast, Mheshimiwa Kala. Mheshimiwa Kala and Kalembe. Mheshimiwa Agnes Kavindu. Na Mheshimiwa Bikabaka. We lost our brother Kabaka just the other day, which is what made it necessary to have the Machakos senatorial contest. Mheshimiwa Kalembe had actually wanted to run, but he was gracious enough to say the interests of the party are more important than his own. Akamwachia Mheshimiwa Agnes Kavindu, who I'm sure is out of the country. We have also, which other Mheshimiwa? Paul Wasanga is actually party leader wa chama cha Muungano, a former county secretary of Makueni County. Who else do I need to say? Oh, Tom Lusa was fired for insisting on good governance. Rafiki sana ya Kalembe. Yeah. Mheshimiwa Helen Deti, Machakos County. Mheshimiwa Angela, ambaye she was gracious to pray with us and the family. Angela Itale. Mheshimiwa Winnie Kaburu, very good friend of Mheshimiwa Kalembe within the party. She's all the way from Meru. And I'm sure others. I've spoken here. I spoke to my friends. Raila Odinga this morning is equally affected. As I said, I had to brief the president about it. Very deeply affected. And I spoke to Musalia. He's on the way actually to Ingo. Our friend Wata is out on Senate business in Washington, D.C. I'm quite sure wherever Kenyan leaders are, they are all together in mourning the demise of our brother. Asanteni sana. And I don't think there's really any time for any questions, because I think I've said it. Let us all wait for subsequent briefings. We are going to form ourselves into some kind of working group, open-ended, to honor that we give our brother a befitting send-off. Send-off ambayo itaonyesha kweli here was a true Kenyan nationalist, patriot, fearless patriot. Santeni. Great humor. Yeah. And I hope the media will help all of us as we mourn. You may want to mourn Kalembe Ndile in your own way. I'm sure the clips you have, all of you, will probably attest to what our friend from Ebro is saying. But have you concluded?
That is part of the humor.
In terms of humor, how would you describe this guy Kalembe?
Humorous. And out of that, we used to cross paths. Yeah, we used to. But he's a brother. Yeah, one time, I think you remember, I think it was in Mwingi that time, and he was not on the part where the majority of the constituents were, so they were a bit uncomfortable with Mheshimiwa Kalembe Ndile. He took off in a manner that we used to say alikimbia sana. Lakini tulikuja tukasameana mambo yote hayo. As I told you, He was even in the forefront. In fact, I can disclose here, Mheshimiwa Kalembe Ndile made it clear he is not going to contest any seat with his brothers and sisters in the region, but was going to be in Kalonzo Musyoka's presidential campaign team.
Yes.
He made it very clear. He made it very clear. And I can tell you, the last time we went with him on the route to Embu and Nyeri, Kieni places, Wakenya wajua waheshimiwa wengine. Nikisema ni makao, tunataka Kalembe. Because you tell them stuff that they will all come out either laughing, great sense of humor, but driving very serious points. Yeah. That's why I'm telling you, let's wait for the post-mortem report. I know that Mama has been following, and I want to thank Kalembe's brother, who kept us briefed about what was actually happening. There had to be an MRI, and that's a bit of scanning to find out where the problem was. And then depending on that, the doctors had decided that they wanted to make an incision, and they had asked for people to come and donate blood. So that was a process. During that process, we lost our brother. Yeah. Asanteni sana. Yes.
I'm Benjamin from Mutongoi. So we are requesting if we can get an
Mutongoi?
Yeah, Okikam.
What is Mutongoi? Mutongoi is a leader.
Yeah, Kikam.
Mutongoi is leader.
Yeah.
And this one is Adhiani FM.
Yeah.
I think they broke the news. I think they did. Yeah, tuko kwa Siapole. Allow me to speak this mother tongue.
Huh? It should be this 264.
Inu ni Mutongoi TV.
Banki imeconfirm pesa zimeingia. Congratulations Sam, gari ni lako sasa.